Hello YouTube, I am back with the next unboxing. I had 3 to do, this is now the second. We are here today with the Seasons of the Witch Samhain Oracle. I've waited for this deck for a long time, finally found it at a local shop and got it with some other goodies. I do have the rest of these decks on the wish list, that's how much I've liked this one. And I will admit that we did film this. I have been using it, but I'm still going to label it the same just to keep with the rest of the playlist. So, this is packaged kind of like a Hay House deck, but this is by a company named Rockpool. You can see the pretty red all over the box. It's be beautiful on a shelf. And then on the back you got the cards, a few of the cards, and you got the information about the deck. Typical liftoff, similar to Hay House. It's got a little full moon in red. You have a little card that tells you how to get the app that has all the decks from this company, apparently for free. The book is actually a thick little book. And it's got information about the deck. It also has different spreads. And it's got some pretty cool spreads in here, I'll give it that. An interview deck spread, a graveyard spread. Pretty cool. In keeping with Halloween. Coming of Winter, healer spread, spiritual counsel, reclaiming my power. There's a couple different, I want to say about maybe 10 or 11 different spreads in here. And then, of course, you get to your decks, which they give you a picture. And then when you turn the page, you have about 2 full pages of information for each deck. Or for each card, I mean. And then if you get one like this, it'll be this page. And then over to the next. So quite a bit of information for each card. This is a, I believe, 45 card deck. If I remember right. The edges are gilded in this beautiful blood red. I just love it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The backs are blood red with that pretty full moon design. And then our first card is All Hallows Eve. In keeping with my normal oracles, I'll read the title, but I'm not going to read the keywords. Altar. Ancestors, apples, banshee, bat, black cat, broom, candle magic. I just love the artwork on this. Oh, and I forgot to do the little flippy test. It does not bend very easily. Good sturdy. It's got that plasticky feel, but it holds up. Cauldron. I will also say the keywords make this a deck you should be able to pretty much pick up and read at will, even without the book. Coming of Winter. There's only a few cards in here that kind of makes you go, huh? But you can usually put it together with some thought. Crystals and Herbs. Dark Moon. I will say this is a deck that sometimes the titles don't make sense, but the keywords do. Divination. Elders. Elements. Frog, Graveyard, Greet the Darkness, Grief, Haunted, Healer, Intuition, Journey, Mischief, nature spirits, owl, potions and spells, protection, pumpkin, rebirth, reflection. This is the picture that's on the box, by the way. Ritual, rooted, seduction, silence, spider, third harvest, transformation, the underworld, the veil, voices, witch, and wolf. It is a 44 card deck, I guess. As far as this deck, I've been using it, like I said, for a couple days. I actually really like it. Definitely was worth the wait. I've had this on a wish list for a long time before I found it at the shop. And I definitely would recommend it. The only thing I will say is be very careful with the gilding. It does seem to come off pretty easy. But that's most of your gilded decks. Most people will tell you how easily those come off. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, go live, etc. I am live almost every night, anytime after 9 p.m. Eastern. I'm getting back into the morning routine here soon, hopefully. That will be between 8:30 and 9 a.m. Eastern time every day. And then Sundays I'm usually on different times, but I'm on throughout the day. Make sure you check the description box down below for loads of information. I have information about joining my membership and getting free readings, information about my social media, information on how to get private readings, etc. So make sure you check down there. Any questions that aren't answered, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll get to you as soon as possible. And I will see you all again very, very soon. Have a good night, guys. Bye.